BrittanyBearMakeup here and bienvenidos a mi canal. So today's video is going to be a QVS, Quick Video Sunday, showing you guys how to get a beautiful, simple cut crease. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you could be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And keep on watching as I show you guys how to get this beautiful cut crease.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started to slay this cut crease. The first thing you're gonna need is some concealer or some eye primer. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Fairest. I'm gonna begin by applying this onto my lid and then using my finger to just kind of buff and blend it all out. So once we went ahead and applied our eye primer, it is now time to mattify it. So picking up just a MAC setting powder, I'm going to be using this with a little Morphe brush. This is a Morphe Y16 brush. I'm just gonna swoop it across my lid. And this is just gonna make sure that our eyes are nice and ready. They're set to apply the eyeshadow. So don't forget this step. So once we went ahead and applied our eye primer and our base, it is now time to get started on the cut crease. So picking up a Morphe brush, this is a M573 brush. I'm going to be picking up the color Served, which is a beautiful light brown orange shade. So going back and forth in windshield wiper movements, I'm applying this shade to the crease of my eyelid. And as you guys can see, I'm swooping the product outwards towards the end of my brow to kind of give me that beautiful, nice lift to my eye. Taking that same Morphe brush that I used in the beginning, I'm gonna go back and forth and just kind of buff and blend out the eyeshadow, make sure that everything looks nice and blended and we are on the right path to a nice cut crease. So once we went ahead and applied a nice base for our cut crease, it is now time to intensify the color, bump it up a notch, and make this cut crease a little bit more poppin'. So going into the color Strong, which is a beautiful rich chocolatey brown, using that same Morphe brush, I'm gonna go back and forth and really just carve out that crease. We're just making sure that we're carving out that crease, making it look beautiful, giving it more dimension, and really just faking that our eyelids are a lot bigger, a lot more pulled, a lot more lifted. So once we went ahead and applied the eyeshadow, going back into that buffing and blending brush, we're gonna go in and really just kind of blend out that eyeshadow. It is now time to carve out that eyelid, make sure we give it structure, make sure we make it look good. So I'm gonna be picking up my MAC Pro Longwear in the shade NC20 and this little flat Morphe brush. I am then going to use this product to kind of just carve out that eye. Just like that, I went ahead and flicked the concealer to kind of create that beautiful winged shape. I'm pressing the product onto my lid to kind of just place and get an idea as to where I want to apply the product. Then taking that product, guys, I'm swooping it across my lid just like this and really just carving out and sculpting my eye. It is now time to pick up a shade and really intensify that eyelid. So for today, I decided to pick up the shade Fierce because I'm feeling pretty fierce. I'm then going to go ahead and begin by packing the product, applying it to the areas that I applied the concealer to. Alright guys, so after we went ahead and applied our cut crease eyeshadow and our shimmer to our lid, it is now time for eyeliner. So picking up my Perversion eyeliner from Urban Decay, I'm going to be using this to carve out a nice wing and really just make the look come together. So what I like to do is I like to start at the wing and I actually like to just draw a tiny little line. So the key to this isn't to connect the actual crease to the liner. You want to make sure there's a little gap to really just create that open fluid eye shape. Then we're gonna go ahead and connect a line. All right, then pulling back my eye, I'm just gonna draw a thin straight line connecting the liner. All right guys, so the final touch for my cut crease is going to be applying lashes. Once again, I'm picking up my Salon Perfect lashes and I'm applying a little bit of adhesive to them. I am letting them dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place them onto my eye. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished one eye to show you guys the difference between an eye that has nothing on it to a cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps onto the other side and I'll be back in a second to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so here is the final look on the beautiful cut crease. I hope all of you guys found this video to be very, very helpful. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up, like, share, comment, and as always guys, subscribe to my channel, and I will see my bear family in the next video. Bye guys! Gosh darn it, Patty. I just got it in my hair. Cut crease. The cut crease. It's gonna show you how to do a cut crease. On my beautiful and easy, simple, schmeezy, beezy, teasy, leasy, crazy, deezy. Oh, for sheezy. She knows it. She shows it. She got a lot of money.